Okay, so my hair is legit out here looking like it got deep fried at the state fair. And I'm out here trying to fix it with bottled shampoo. Like, that's not my enemy. Like, I look like a fucking grease bucket. So I've been seeing everybody rave about this bar shampoo and conditioner from the Earthling Co. Ooh. So it claims to do all of these things. Cleanses your hair without stripping it of its natural moisture. It's gentle for your skin and your scalp. So when you wash with this stuff, it's not going to leave irritations like some shampoos and conditioners can. And if you suffer from flat hair or just plain out weird hair, like mine, then it helps with volume and frizz and all that other kind of great stuff. This is all naturally derived ingredients. This silky conditioner bar penetrates the hair shaft for a deep conditioning look and feel. And the best part is this is versatile for all hair types. I'm a curly headed girl. I know you can't tell right now, but it's safe for curly hair and for color shaded hair. Don't just take my word for it. I'm actually about to wash my hair with this for the first time. We'll find out. Here's our shampoo bar, and it smells really good. This is the conditioner bar, and it kind of looks like a fat ass Reese's cup, but you know, I'm not gonna try to eat it. Let's get started. It's looking pretty color safe. I don't have any black hair dye on my hands, so that's always a great sign. And honestly, the lather, fucking superb. And it feels like soft, like it feels good. Moving on to conditioner. Oh, this is silky. Oh, I can run my fingers straight through it. This detangling is bomb. Okay, so just a little about the washing process. As soon as I was rinsing the conditioner out, my hair instantly felt thicker. Like, I don't know if that's possible, but that's something new for me. I want to see my hair for the first time when you guys do after using this. So I got the mirror right here. Oh my god. You guys, look at my curls. They're like so revived. Like, oh my fucking god. Okay, I'm excited. Look, I know this isn't a big deal for a lot of people, but having curly hair is a blessing and a curse. And I always know how good or bad a shampoo is gonna be based on how my curls look after I pull the towel off. And my curls are light. They're not heavy. They're free. All right, so this is my honest review on it. 10 out of 10, would recommend. You guys, if you want a lightweight shampoo with all natural derived ingredients and you want to kiss goodbye to that bottled shampoo and conditioner, I highly recommend these bar soap and shampoos from the Earthling Co.
A few moments later.
So this is fucking insane. I'm sorry. Like, I had to get like right back on here just as soon as my hair dried, and it literally took less than a fucking hour. These shampoo bars and conditioner bars, look at my hair. It's so curly. Look, and this is before me putting any kind of like oil or anything in it. So, I mean, if it looks this good without it, I have never in a million years been able to use a product, just let my hair air dry, and it looked like I took a fucking blow dryer diffuser to it and got like these cute 1970s natural curls. Like, in what fucking world? If y'all don't trust me, try it for yourself. Like, these results, out fucking standing.